Hello, I'm Alex from MovinsEdition. It's a unused scratch product from MovinsEdition and it's from the leather Satchel company bag. MovinsEdition introduces this bag to British Satchel bag brands Cambridge Satchel and the leather Satchel. One of them is the bag made by a British craftsman. This is the leather Satchel shoulder bag. It is famous for the bag that goes into production at the same time as the order. The leather Satchel have won the hearts of many to become one of the most popular ranges of leather bags we offer. Available in sizes and styles to fit all ages and sexes. As the oldest surviving satchel maker, the leather Satchel have been handcrafting beautiful classic leather satchels for the last 50 years. The Satchel is a true all-time classic for anyone. Founded in 1966 by one of the British brands, the leather Satchel history is a little longer than Cambridge Satchel. While Cambridge Satchel tries a lot of contemporary design and novelty, the leather Satchel bags seem to stick to the basics as a whole. The leather Satchel is a deep and solid satchel bag artisan in England. As you can see, unused the leather Satchel bag, but there's a scratch on the back. If you're sensitive, pass, it's fine. Enjoy the detailed video of MovinsEdition. Exquisite stitching. A strong hand. British handmade bag signature bag. It's a unused scratch product that only has one. It's from the leather Satchel company bag, Cambridge Satchel and the leather Satchel. One of them is the bag made by a British craftsman. It's from the leather Satchel bag. One of the British brands, the leather Satchel, was founded in 1966 and is famous for its bags that go into production at the same time as the order. Enjoy the fact that the leather Satchel is a deep and solid saddleback artisan in England. Bye.